Let's see what is given in the fifth question. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So this is our first AP. ये AP में कितने number of terms है हमको वो find करना है. So first of all, the given sequence is now first term of the sequence is what? It is 7. Second term of the sequence is what? It is 13. Third term of the sequence is what? It is 19. Dash 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 dash. The sequence is up to 205. Okay. This is A1 या फिर A. This is A2. This is A3 and this will be AN. Okay. Last term of the AP हम लोग AN से denote करते हैं. So now we will use the formula. Now common difference D लगेगा सबसे पहले हमको. Common difference D is given by so common difference D is given by D is equal to A2 minus A1. तो A2 हमारा है 13, A1 हमारा है 7. So common difference is what? It is 6. Now we will use the formula of nth term of the AP. Nth term of the AP is given by AN, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay. Now we are having the values. We will put it here. AN का value है 205, A का value है 7. N हमको find करना है कितने number of terms है ये sequence में, ये हमको find करना है. और common difference अभी हमने calculate किया है, that is 6. Okay. Now shift this 7 to LHS. So 205 minus 7. How much it will come? 198, which is equal to n minus 1 multiplied by 6. ये 6 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन में उधर शिफ्ट करने के बाद वो डिवीजन में चला जाएगा. ओके. So 6 ones are 6 threes are is 18. Again 180 is remaining. 3s are is 18. So 33, which is equal to n minus 1. तो यहाँ से क्या समझ में आता है? n is equal to 34. n is equal to 34. So how many number of terms are there in this sequence? 34 number of terms are there in this sequence. Write down the final statement also. Number of terms in this sequence is equal to 34. Shravani Shinde, which step did you didn't understand? Shravani.
The last one using the formula.
यहाँ पे बस वैल्यू पुट किया है. देखो ये जो हमारा गिवन सीक्वेंस है उसमें an का वैल्यू है 205. ए हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म होता है उसका वैल्यू है 7. एन हमको फाइंड करना है. नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स हम लोग एन से डिनोट करते. देखो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स, इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन ओनली. सो वो हमको फाइंड करना है. इट विल बी एज इट इज. डी यानी कॉमन डिफरेंस होता है और कॉमन डिफरेंस हमने यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट किया है, दैट इज 6. ओके. तो ये 7 को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उधर शिफ्ट करते हैं. तो 205 minus 7, we will get 198. Remaining things are on RHS only. n minus 1 multiplied by 6. अभी ये 6 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है. LHS में शिफ्ट करने के बाद वो डिवीजन में चला जाएगा। तो 198/6, इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद आएगा 33। 33 विल बी इक्वल टू n-1। तो ये -1 को जो है उधर शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमको n का वैल्यू चाहिए। तो ये -1 उधर उधर जाने के बाद +1 हो जाएगा। 33 + 1 दैट इज 34। इज इट क्लियर टू यू, श्रावणी?
Yes, sir.
ओके, सिमिलरली सेम टाइप का है अगला क्वेश्चन। कम ऑन, फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स। ओके, हर्ष चौधरी says it's 27, Netal says it's 27, Gauri 27. Come on, others also find out. Shravani Argade also got 27, Anushka also got 27, Prerna also got 27. Sarang, Atharva Kate, Padma Vyas all got 27. Rushikesh Kadam got 27. Okay. तो सबसे पहले द गिवन सीक्वेंसेस। So what is the given sequence? 18. Second term is what? 15, 1/2. Third term is what? 13. And the sequence is up till -47. Okay. तो ये हमारा A1 या फिर A है. दिस इज अवर A2, दिस इज अवर A3 एंड दिस इज अवर AN. लास्ट टर्म वी डिनोट बाय AN. Okay, now the common difference D is given by common difference D is given by D is equal to A2 minus A1. तो A2 क्या है हमारा? 15.5. Okay, so 15.5 I can write minus 18. So how much it will come? -2.5. या फिर आप उसको 5/2 भी ले सकते हो. Okay, so common difference is -2.5 या फिर 5/2. Now nth term of the AP. Nth term of the AP is given by, the formula is AN, which is equal to A plus n-1 multiplied by D. So AN यहाँ से लिखेंगे हम लोग -47, A यहाँ से लिखेंगे हम लोग 18, N हमको फाइंड करना है. कॉमन डिफरेंस अभी हमने निकाला है, दैट इज -2.5. ओके, शिफ्ट दिस 18 टू LHS. तो ये हो जाएगा -47 -18 विच इज इक्वल टू n-1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -2.5. ओके, तो -47 और -18 कितना होता है? -47 एंड -18
65.
-65. ओके, और ये 2.5 -2.5 जो है यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लीकेशन में इधर शिफ्ट कर दो तो ये आ जाएगा डिवीजन में. ओके, सो सॉल्विंग दिस, हाउ मच यू गेट? 130 डिवाइडेड
26.
26. ओके, 26, ये माइनस माइनस कट जाएगा, विच इज इक्वल टू n-1। ये -1 को उधर शिफ्ट कर दो तो n विल बी इक्वल टू 27। So the number of terms in this sequence are 27. Number of terms in this sequence are 27. Now see next question. Check whether -150 is a term of arithmetic progression. Now this is the arithmetic progression, और ये arithmetic progression में कहीं -150 ऐसा term आता है या नहीं आता है वो हमको check करना है. Okay, the process will be same. The given sequence is, okay, the given sequences. So first term of the sequence is what? It is 11. Second term of the sequence is what? 8. Third term is 5. Fourth term is 2 and the sequence is going on. तो हम लोग क्या कंसिडर कर लेंगे कि -150 जो है ये सीक्वेंस का लास्ट टर्म है, क्योंकि हमको ये चेक करना है कि -150 ये सीक्वेंस में आता है या नहीं आता है. तो वी विल कंसिडर दिस एज द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ द सीक्वेंस. सो A1 या फिर A, this is our A2, this is our A3, this is our A4, and suppose this is our last term AN. Okay, now first we will get the common difference. Now common difference D is given by D is equal to A2 minus A1. तो A2 क्या है हमारा? 8 minus 11. So the common difference will be what? -3. Okay, now nth term of the AP is given by, okay, nth term of the AP is given by AN, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. तो AN के जगह पे आ जाएगा -150, A के जगह पे आएगा 11, N हमको फाइंड करना है और D क्या आ जाएगा? इट विल बी -3. सॉल्व दिस. What you are getting? Tell me. 164 divided by 3. Okay, 54.66. 164 divided by 3. Most of you are getting 164 divided by 3. Okay. Prerna, it is an AP, but one -150 is not the term of this AP. ऐसा बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि it is not an AP. It is not a term of, yes, correct. It is not the term of the AP. Why it is not the term of the AP? Yes, who will tell me the reason? Why it is not the
Sir,
term?
the n AP is never in fraction.
The value of n appears in fraction.
No, sir.
Huh.
The value of n does not comes as fractions or decimals.
Correct. It should always be a natural number. Okay, the value of n should always be a natural number. So here we are not getting the natural number, it is coming in fraction. Okay, so -150 which is equal to, ये 11 को शिफ्ट कर देंगे हम लोग, तो ये हो जाएगा -161 which is equal to n-1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय -3. ये -3 को भी शिफ्ट कर देंगे, -161 डिवाइडेड बाय -3. Is it divisible? 7 8, no, it is not divisible. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा +1 which is equal to n. So n will come what? 164 divided by 3. Now n's value should always come as a natural number. Here it is coming in fraction. Okay, 164 divided by 3. या फिर अगर इसको हम डेसिमल में भी कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो ये क्या आ जाएगा? 54.66 आ जाएगा. And this is not a valid value for n. ओके, एन का वैल्यू जो है हमेशा नेचुरल नंबर फॉर्म में आना चाहिए. 1 2 3 4 5 6. अगर ये 54 होता तो देन इट वुड हैव बीन करेक्ट, बट इट इज कमिंग इन डेसिमल. So what we can say then, -150 is not the term of this AP. नो 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 श्रावणी, ये टर्म का वैल्यू नेगेटिव भी होगा तो भी नो प्रॉब्लम, बट एन का वैल्यू जो है वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव नेचुरल नंबर ही होना चाहिए. -150 जो है वो टर्म है, ये सीक्वेंस का लास्ट टर्म है, ऐसा कंसिडर किया हमने. इट कैन बी नेगेटिव. Okay, see the next one then. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Okay, तो हमको पहला दूसरा तीसरा टर्म कुछ भी नहीं पता है, तो हम लोग सीक्वेंस बनाते हैं. सपोज दिस इज आवर 11th टर्म. ओके, एंड इट इज 38. तो ये वैल्यू है A11 का, और 16th टर्म पता है हमको. It is what? It is 73. So A16 is what? It is 73. And the sequence is going on. So first of all, we will write the given sequences. Okay. Now we don't know anything. हाँ, यहाँ पे भी हमको कुछ भी पता नहीं है. कॉमन डिफरेंस पता नहीं है, फर्स्ट टर्म पता नहीं है. Okay. Now nth term of the AP का फॉर्मूला क्या है? nth term of the AP is given by, okay, an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. This is the formula for nth term of the AP. तो अभी देखो 11th टर्म के लिए अगर मैं ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करता हूं तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? A11 will be equal to a plus 11 minus 1 multiplied by d. So what it will become? A plus 10d हो जाएगा ये. सिमिलरली यही वाला फॉर्मूला अगर मैं 16th टर्म के लिए अप्लाई करता हूं तो what it will become? A16 which is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 multiplied by d which is equal to a plus 15d. ओके, तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास A11 और A16 का वैल्यू है. So what it will become? 38 which is equal to a plus 10d, and 16 का भी A16 का भी वैल्यू है 73 which is equal to a plus 15d. Now see, we are having two equations and two unknowns, and we know how to solve these two equations. So by elimination method, if we perform subtraction as the operation, so this a will get cancelled. Now 38 minus 73, how much it comes? 38 minus 73, 35. Okay, which is it will come minus 35 because 73 is greater and its sign is minus. So यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? 10d minus 15d, it will be minus 5d. ये माइनस माइनस दोनों साइड कट जाएगा, सो d का वैल्यू आएगा 7. Once you get the value of d, you can put this value of d either in equation 1 or in equation 2 to get the value of a. Okay, so what we will do, we will put d is equal to 7 in equation 1. Okay, so 38, which is equal to a plus 10 into 7 is what? 70. So a is going to come what? A will come minus 32. Now we are having the value of d also and we are having the value of a also. अभी हमको 31st term निकालना है of this AP. Okay, so now A31, what it will be? A plus 31 minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so A है हमारे पास -32 प्लस ये हो जाएगा 30 और d का वैल्यू है हमारे पास 7. चलो इसको सॉल्व करो और 31st टर्म बोलो मुझे व्हाट इट विल कम. -32 प्लस 210. हाउ मच इट कम्स? 178. Correct. So the 31st term of the sequence will be what? 178. Initially, we were not having the value of A also, D also, nothing we were having. We were only given with these two values, A11 and A16. उस पे से हम लोग ये sequence भी बना सकते हैं. We can make the sequence also. Yes, tell me the 17th term of this sequence. 17th term. What will be the 17th term? बस इसमें d जोड़ दो. 73 plus 7, it will be 80. Okay. Okay, next question. Now an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. Okay, यानी A3 का value हमको given है and last term is 106. Now tell me which will be the last term here? Which will be the last term? A50 will be the last term क्योंकि यहाँ पे total number of terms कितने हैं? 50 terms है. Okay, same process पिछले question जैसा ही है. You need to find the 29th term here. Okay, so first of all, the given sequence is dash dash dash. This is our third term. It is 12. A3 हमको given है dash 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 and last term is given directly. That is 106 and it is A50. Now, nth term of the AP is given by an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, so थर्ड टर्म के लिए अगर मैं ये फॉर्मूला लगाता हूं तो व्हाट इट विल बिकम A3 which is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by d which is equal to a plus 2d. Similarly, 50th टर्म के लिए मैं ये फॉर्मूला अगर लगाता हूँ nth टर्म ऑफ AP का, so what it will become a plus 50 minus 1 multiplied by d which is equal to a plus 49d. Okay, now we are having the value of A3 and A50. We will put it. So what it will become? 12, which is equal to A plus 2D and 106, which is equal to A plus 49D. Solve these two equations. So solving these two equations by elimination method, what it will become? This A will get eliminated. Now 2 minus 49. It will come minus 47D, and 12 minus 106. 12 minus 106. It will come minus 94. Okay, ये minus minus कट जाएगा तो D will come equal to 2. Once you get the value of D, put it in either equation 1 or in equation 2 to get the value of A. So put D is equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay, so 12, which is equal to A plus 2 into 12. Sorry, 2 into 2. Value of D is what? 2. So A plus 4, which is equal to 12. So A will come equal to 8. Okay, once you get the value of A and D, you can apply the formula of nth term of the AP and get the 29th term. Okay, so A29 will be equal to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Now A is known to us as 8. n क्या है हमारा 29 minus 1 multiplied by D हमारा 2 है. So 8 plus 28 into 2. So 8 plus 56, which is equal to 64. 29th term will be 64. Yes, Nathal, it is correct. Harsh, it is correct. So write down the final statement also. The 29th term of this sequence is what? 106. Sorry. The 29th term of this sequence is what? 64. Okay, see the next one then. Chalo, who will tell me how to get the solution of this? If the third and ninth terms of the AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? बोलो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे हम लोग? Yes, Harsh.
We are given that the third and ninth term is 4 and minus 8 respectively.
Okay.
So A3 will be equals to 4. That will be equals to A plus 2D.
Correct.
And A9 will be equals to minus 8 equals to A plus 8D.
Okay.
By applying the elimination method, we get D is equals to minus 2.
Okay.
Now putting the D in first equation, that is A plus 2D, we get the value of A is equals to 8. And
Okay.
by the formula of nth term, an is equals to 0, because we have to find the which term is 0. So 0 will be equals to 8 plus n minus 1 into minus 2.
Okay.
Solving that, we get the n is equals to 5.
Okay. Take it. Now see, pay attention here. First of all, we will write the given sequence. Huh? The given sequence is, okay, so third term is given to us, dash dash dash. This is our third term and it is 4. So A3 is given as 4. Next, what is given to us? Ninth term. Okay, ninth term is what? It is minus 8. यानी A9 जो है उसका वैल्यू है minus 8. Now विच टर्म ऑफ दिस एपी इज जीरो। यहाँ पे कोई तो भी ये एपी में एक टर्म ऐसा है जिसका वैल्यू जीरो है, तो वो कौन से नंबर का टर्म है वो हमको फाइंड करना है। ओके, सो नाउ वी विल यूज द सेम प्रोसेस। नाउ nth term of the AP, nth term of the AP is given by an, which is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. ओके, तो अगर ये फॉर्मूला हम लोग थर्ड टर्म के लिए लगाते हैं तो व्हाट इट विल बिकम a3 which is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 multiplied by d which is equal to a plus 2d. ओके, सिमिलरली ये फॉर्मूला हम लोग नाइन्थ टर्म के लिए अगर लगाते हैं तो व्हाट इट विल बिकम a9 plus 9 minus 1 multiplied by d which is equal to a plus 8d. Now we are having the values of a3 and a9, so we will put it 4 which is equal to a plus 2d and minus 8 which is equal to a plus 8d. This is my first equation, this is my second equation. So solving these two equations by elimination method, minus minus minus, this will get cancelled. Okay, now 2d minus 8d, it will come minus 6d, and this will become minus into minus, this will become plus. Okay, so 12 it will come, so d will come what, minus 2. Okay, d will come minus 2. Now you put this value of d either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So put d is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. Okay, so 4 will be equal to a minus 4. ये 4 को उधर शिफ्ट कर दो तो ये हो जाएगा a will be equal to 8. Correct, the value of a is what, 8 na, first term, the value of a is 8. Okay, so the first term is what, 8. अभी हमको चेक करना है कि ये सीक्वेंस में जीरो कहीं तो भी आ रहा है. ओके, सपोज यहाँ पे जीरो आ रहा है. ओके, सपोज दिस पोजीशन वी आर गेटिंग जीरो ईयर, तो सपोज हम लोग इसको कंसिडर कर लेंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए लास्ट टर्म ऑफ द एपी, यानी ये जो एपी है यहां से यहां तक ही है, ऐसा हम लोग कंसिडर कर लेंगे. ओके, सपोज दिस इज द लास्ट टर्म ऑफ द एपी, इतना ही एपी है, तो हम लोग फॉर्मूला लगाएंगे ए एन विच इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई डी. तो ए एन हमारा लास्ट टर्म क्या है, जीरो है. ओके, जीरो विच इज इक्वल टू ए, हमारा फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है 8, प्लस n क्या है हमारा, we don't know the value of n, we have to find n only, and common difference is what, minus 2. Okay, so shift this 8, this will become minus 8. Okay, which is equal to, ये minus 2 को भी अगर इधर शिफ्ट कर दिया तो ये minus 2 यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, n minus 1. so ये minus minus sorry, cancel हो जाएगा. 8 divided by 2 is what, 4, which is equal to n minus 1, so n will be equal to 5. So the fifth term of this AP is 0. Okay, so the fifth term of this AP is 0. Write down the final statement that the fifth term of this AP is 0. Okay, next one, who will tell me what we have to do here? The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. एक hint दे देता हूं आपको, A17 it exceeds, यानी A17 A10 से 7 ज्यादा है. That's it. Now put the values here and try to solve it. A17 को हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? Yes, बोलो.
So common difference is 1.
Okay. Common difference is 1. but we are only given this much now, we have to find the common difference. Okay, तो अभी a17 के जगह पे क्या जाएगा, a plus 16d which is equal to a10 के जगह पे क्या जाएगा, a plus 9d plus 7. Okay, this a will get cancelled on both the sides. 16d minus 9d, what it will come, 7d which is equal to 7, so d will come equal to 1. बहुत इजी था, आपको इतना शॉर्टकट में नहीं लिखना है. यू विल राइट द फॉर्मूला देन इंसर्ट द फॉर्मूला. ओके, आप डायरेक्टली नहीं लिखोगे इसको, आप पहले क्या लिखोगे, ये स्टेप तो आपको गिवन है. ओके, उसके पहले आप लिखोगे 17th टर्म इज इक्वल टू 10th टर्म प्लस 7. ओके, उसके बाद ये स्टेप लिखोगे, उसके बाद आप लिखोगे नाउ nth term of the AP is given by an which is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. तो ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके 17th टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, a17 which is equal to a plus 17 minus 1 multiplied by d which is equal to a plus 16d. सिमिलरली ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके 10th टर्म क्या हो जाएगा, a plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by d which is equal to a plus 9d. ऐसे आप स्टेप वाइज लिखोगे. उसके बाद इसको आप इक्वेशन नंबर 1 दे दोगे. Now put these values in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes ओके, यहाँ पे सब पुट कर दोगे a plus 16d which is equal to a plus a, यहाँ पे फिर बाद में 3 स्टेप लिखना है आपको. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, further part we will continue tomorrow because the time is up. Any doubt to anyone?